Oh, here's the blue key. Blue key skull. Blue skull key. Well, they give me health. What is a chainsaw? It doesn't have ammo. It's unlimited ammo. Because it's a chainsaw. Even though technically it should have, like, gas as the ammo, but sure. I'll take it. Oh, oh man. Chainsaw time! Okay, but I want to go where that blue place was. Hi! If they're trying to hit you, light amplification visor. What? At least I have a chainsaw now, though. That's nice. It's especially nice against these pink guys who can't do a thing against me because they're all melee. What? What? Well, now I have to go find the chainsaw again. I need this, and I need the chainsaw. Let me get the chainsaw. Get out of here. Man. Let me have this. I really like the face that Doom guy made when he got the chainsaw. He was like, oh yeah. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. And also, I have links to the main channel in the description. Full VODs are stored there.